Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. And hello to all of our wonderful listeners around the world. I'm Alex. Welcome to day 23.
Welcome back, everyone. Before we get started, Alex, how are you today?
I'm doing really well. The weather is beautiful today, so I'm in a great mood. How about you?
I'm doing great too, thank you. I went for a short walk this morning and grabbed my favorite green tea on the way here, so I feel refreshed and ready for today's lesson.
That sounds like a perfect morning. And before we begin, if you're enjoying our daily lessons, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new episode.
And if these podcasts are helping you improve your English, please take a second to hit the like button. It really helps our channel reach more English learners around the world.
Thank you so much. Every like and every comment encourages us to keep making these lessons for you.
So, Alex, today is day 23. We're getting closer and closer to the finish line of our 30-day English Confidence Challenge.
I know. It's hard to believe we've already made it this far. If you've been practicing with us every day, you should feel incredibly proud of yourself.
Absolutely. Every day you listen, every sentence you repeat, and every comment you write is helping your English become stronger.
This week, we're learning useful English for everyday life. We've already talked about our hometowns and the different places we visit around the city.
That's right. We learned words like supermarket, bank, pharmacy, park, and post office.
But today, we're going one step further. Knowing the names of places is helpful.
But it's even more important to know how to find them.
Exactly. And I have to admit something.
Oh, what's that?
I get lost all the time.
Really?
Yeah. I can walk into a shopping mall and somehow end up at the wrong exit. Last month, I spent almost 20 minutes looking for my car in a parking garage.
Oh, I remember that. You even called me and asked, Emma, where am I?
I did. And the funny thing was, I didn't even know how to describe where I was.
Well, don't worry, Alex. You're definitely not the only person who gets lost.
Okay, that's good to hear.
So let's get started with one of the most useful topics in everyday English.
Asking for and giving directions.
So, Alex, let's imagine you're visiting a new city for the first time.
That already sounds dangerous for me.
Why?
Because after about 10 minutes, I'll probably be completely lost.
Well, don't panic. That's exactly why we're having today's lesson. The first thing you need to know is how to ask someone for help politely.
Right. We don't just walk up to someone and say, "Where's the bank?"
That can sound a little too direct. Instead, we always begin with two very important words. Excuse me?
That's right. Excuse me is a polite way to get someone's attention before asking a question.
So if I need help, I can smile and say, Excuse me, where is the bank?
Perfect. Or maybe, excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy?
Or, excuse me, where is the train station? great examples. You can use this sentence almost anywhere.
Is there another common way to ask for directions?
Yes. Another very natural question is, how do I get to the...
I hear that a lot. How do I get to the supermarket?
How do I get to the museum? How do I get to the bus station?
I like that question.
People usually explain the whole route. They don't just point somewhere. They tell you how to get there, step by step.
Which means I have to understand their directions.
Yes. Don't worry. Most directions use the same simple words. Okay, let's learn the most important ones. The first phrase is, go straight.
That one's easy. It means don't turn. Just keep walking.
Exactly. Someone might say, go straight for 2 blocks. Or, go straight until you see the traffic lights.
So I just keep moving forward.
That's it. The next 2 phrases are probably the most important. Turn left, turn right.
I still have to think for a second sometimes.
Don't worry, a lot of people do. Imagine you're walking down a street. When you reach the corner, someone says, turn left. You simply turn to your left.
And if they say turn right, I turn to the right.
Exactly. It's much easier than it sounds.
Great. So now I know 3 important directions. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Perfect. Now let's learn another useful phrase. Go past.
It means you walk by something without stopping. For example, go past the park. You don't stop at the park. You keep walking.
So if someone says, go past the supermarket,
I don't go inside to buy snacks.
no, even though I know you'd probably want to.
Especially if they're selling fresh cookies.
Stay focused, Alex.
Okay. So now I know 4 useful directions. Go straight, turn left, turn right, go past.
Excellent. Now let's imagine you followed all those directions. You're finally on the correct street. But there are lots of buildings around you. How do you know which one is the right place?
Good question. That's where location words become very helpful. Let's learn 3 easy ones. The first is next to.
That means right beside something. For example, the pharmacy is next to the supermarket. They're side by side.
Easy enough. What's the second one?
Across from.
Across from. I like this one. It means the building is on the opposite side of the street.
That's right. For example, the bank is across from the park. If you're standing in the park, you'll see the bank on the other side of the road.
Perfect. And the last one?
Between. It means something is in the middle of 2 other things. For example, the cafe is between the bank and the bookstore.
That's easy to picture.
Great! So now you've learned some of the most useful phrases for asking for and understanding directions.
And honestly, they're much easier than I expected.
Right? You don't need long or difficult English. Just remember a few simple expressions. Let's put everything together with a fun role play so everyone can hear these expressions in a real conversation.
Sounds good. Let's do it. Although, knowing me, I've probably taken a wrong turn already.
You've got this.
Okay, here we go. I'm a tourist, and you're a friendly local walking down the street. Excuse me.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm trying to find the train station. How do I get there?
It's actually very easy. You're not far from it.
That's good news.
First, go straight down this street for about 5 minutes.
Okay, go straight.
Then you'll see a large park on your right. Then go past the park, and when you reach the traffic lights, turn left.
Okay, thanks. Is it far after that?
Not at all. Walk for another 2 minutes, and you'll see a big red building between the post office and a small cafe.
Oh, okay. That's easy to find.
And it's across from the hospital, so you really can't miss it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your visit and have a great day.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See? You don't need lots of difficult vocabulary.
Wow, I did not get lost in that role play. I followed your directions perfectly.
You did a great job, Alex. And listeners, you will do a great job too. When you travel, people are usually very happy to help tourists. Just remember to say, "Excuse me," and smile.
And if you do not understand them the first time, it is okay to ask them to repeat. You can say, "Can you speak more slowly, please?"
Now, it is time for our vocabulary highlight. Let's review 2 of the most important phrases from today's chat.
The first phrase is excuse me. E-X-C-U-S-E-M-E. Excuse me.
This is a polite way to get someone's attention when you want to ask a question. You should always use this before asking for directions.
Yes. For example, you can say, "Excuse me, do you have the time?" Or, "Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom?"
The second phrase is go straight. G-O-S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Go straight.
Straight is a funny word to spell, but it is very common. It means to move forward in one direction without turning left or turning right.
Yes. To get to my house, go straight down this road for 5 minutes.
Okay, everyone. It is time for our shadowing practice. Let's practice asking for and giving directions.
This is very important speaking practice.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our pronunciation carefully. Imagine you are walking in a new city. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Sentence number 2. How do I get to the supermarket?
Sentence number 3. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Sentence number 4. Go past the park and turn left.
Sentence number 5. Turn right at the hospital.
Sentence number 6. It is next to the post office.
Fantastic job! You're getting better every single day. Keep going.
Now, it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 23.
We want you to practice giving us directions.
Yes!
The question is, where is the nearest supermarket from your house?
Go to the comments section and practice writing your answer in English.
You can write, go straight, turn left, and it is next to the bank.
Or you can write, turn right, go past the park, and it is across from the hospital. Keep it simple.
Don't worry if your answer is short. The important thing is that you're practicing your English.
And don't forget our special rule. At the end of your comment, please type Day 23 completed.
We love reading your comments every day.
Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us here on Daily English Chats.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe and please give it a like.
We'll be back tomorrow for day 24.
Until then, have a wonderful day. Stay safe wherever you go.
And remember, don't be afraid to ask for directions.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma.
Bye,
everyone.
See you tomorrow.